What?
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Come here.
Come here, what's the matter?
Oh, why you're so excited? What did you see? Okay.
Thank you, Grandma.
Okay.
Thank you, Tita. I love you.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? You excited to open your box?
What do you think inside the box?
Crown?
A crown?
Crown? You like the crown?
Uh-huh.
Did you ask Grandma to buy you crown?
Yeah.
Oh, you've got plenty
did.
of crown in here.
I have a headband crown.
Headband crown?
So what kind of crown do you want?
A pink
A crown from the queen or a crown from the princess?
What do you want?
Yeah. What else are you looking forward to see inside the box?
Dress?
Dress? What kind of dress?
Pink.
Pink.
Pink dress?
What?
It's Arianne dress, Daddy. Pink dress. Okay, let's open it. Open it. Open it.
Okay, let's open it. It's time to open it and see what's inside. Maybe a crown for Adding?
No, for me.
For you? Oh,
Yeah.
Don't say oh dear.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Yeah.
She's excited?
Yeah.
Uy! What are you doing? Ba't patangka na bababa ang black sheep mo lang?
Correct ako pa, tapos pumasok na butay ko dito.
Funny, Adding. She's scared with the black
Okay,
sheep.
open it.
Open it! Open it!
You excited
Open
now?
it!
What are you going to?
Open it.
What's inside?
A crown?
Oh, did you ask Grandma to buy you crown? Oh,
Are you sure there is a crown inside?
maybe the crown is...
How did you know there is crown inside? No, who told you?
Grandma?
Yeah.
Oh no, your grandma lied. That's not true. There's no crown.
Oh, I hope the crown is not broken.
Oh, cause you sat on here the other day, right?
Oh, did you sit down in here?
Yeah, she was. She did.
Let's see, Daddy.
Oh
Open.
no. Okay then, let's open it. Okay.
I doubt it. The crown is still there. Maybe it's broken.
Oh, I broke the crown.
Oh. Open it.
Open it. What? It's a wallet. Yeah, it's a wallet. Yeah, ayan na. You unbox. No. Wow, what is this? That's the crown, Bunny.
It's for you.
That's the crown already?
No, it's bunny. It's for mommy. But I got a bunny already.
That's the crown that Lola's talking about. It's a crown bunny?
Wait a minute.
What? What is
What
it?
is it? What?
What's wrong?
What's wrong? Come here.
Come here, what's the matter?
Oh, why you're so excited? What did you see?
Come on, put it out. Put it out.
Come
Show
here,
it to
here,
them.
here.
Come here. Come up here.
Okay.
What did you see?
Wow.
What is it?
Oh,
Come on.
It's not broken.
it's not broken.
Oh,
Let me
thank
see.
God. Thank God.
Let
At
me
least.
see. Get it. Oh, put it out. Let's see if it's not broken.
Oh, I can't
Oh,
get
big
it
one.
out.
Oh.
My goodness.
Wow.
Elsa.
Ah! really like it?
You like it?
Oh no, very nice.
Ooh, so really.
There's a lot in here.
Yeah.
This.
What's that? Oh wow, there's a... Is that a diamond in the middle?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Nice crown.
Oh.
Wow, so pretty. Oh, nice. What are you going to say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's look at here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Show it to Daddy.
What's that? Oh, Elsa.
Bob.
Oh, it's Barbie. Is that for Aiden?
It's for Aiden.
Oh, I think so. Oh no, it's for a girl.
For a girl.
Really? What's that? Wow.
It's a skirt.
Yeah, Tori.
For you again? It's all for you? No for Ading? Oh no.
What's that? Oh, this is nice.
That's good.
Look.
Aww. Barbie.
Barbie. And another one. Oh, you got a lot, Arianne. Wow. And look.
No.
And this is for Arianne too.
No, that's for Ading.
Oh yes, it's for
That's for
Adding.
Ading.
It's a mouse gear.
Yeah.
Oh yes, it's Elsa. Wow, that's nice.
Yes. I can read this. Now we have.
What is it?
Wow.
It's for your hair.
Yeah, cute.
It's for Adding.
Yes.
This one.
Is it for me?
Yes, it's pink. It's for you.
Yes, but Pinkie Pie's pink.
Pinkie Pie is pink.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Gumball
Yes, it's a gumballs.
sing.
Uh-huh.
Gumball sing. Can I buy a gumball sing?
Uh-huh.
Yay!
Let's see.
Can I buy two?
Look! Oh, you got a lot of summer clothes. And
That's nice.
it's nice.
Who is that?
Not yet. Let's open this first. Oh, this is so sexy. Yes.
Wow! Cute!
What?
Really?
Ah, what else?
Wow!
You got a lot. Arianne.
Yes.
And
Ooh, look at this.
this for mommy. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Flying kiss. I love you, Granddad. I love you, Grandma.